Most people don't realize mouse droppings can carry serious risks. This space has been untouched for years, and mouse droppings can be found on many surfaces. If you ever clean an area with signs of rodents, do not rush in. Put on gloves and a mask first, then ventilate the space before you start cleaning. And never sweep or vacuum dry droppings or nesting material. It can send particles into the air that you could breathe in. Always wet everything down first before wiping it up. Mice can carry Hantavirus and other serious diseases. My grandfather became seriously ill after cleaning mouse nests in a barn over 20 years ago. Our family was told by his doctor that Hantavirus was involved, but it was never officially documented. That experience is why I take rodent dropping cleanup seriously. These areas have been untouched for years, but today we finally start taking it back the safe way, with a mask, gloves, spray bottle, and disposable cleanup rags. Here's a hack. Instead of buying paper towels, cut up old stained or out-of-style clothes and socks to use as rags. Thanks for watching the Classy Cheapskate, and stay safe.